Now we look for cars. I just saw keys on top of that car. But it didn't look like a mechanic, so I'm not helping him out. Two axle boots and an NVLD on this bad boy right here. Nice little drive through the shop, hey. We got Audi, and we got Subaru. It's right here. And then we got BMW on the bottom over her. And I get right at the top here. Let's see if I don't fucking botch this shit again. For some reason I fucking... Yeah, I did it again. Did it again, did it twice. No, we're good this time though. We're good this time. Bang. Car's in. Alright, chatty. NVLD. Let's see how this goes. Oh, he's got the spinner caps. That's always fun. Spinner cap. Gotta do the NVLD. And the two front axle boots on this car. Fucking destroyed. Let's see. Gotta get all these out first. Fuck a light, we don't need it. I forgot this isn't the magnet one, so now I'm gonna be going back and up and fucking down 10,000 times because I'm gonna drop everything. And fender liner's really in here though, goddamn. Another one up here. Can't release. That dirt just went right in my mouth. Doesn't taste so yummy. There's a lot of dust coming out of this car. Holy crap. These screws, like these studs, love to get stuck on the fender liner. Like I get it, it's like a weird material, but I've already unscrewed everything. Can you please just come out all the way? Oh yeah, there it goes. NVLD right there. I'm pretty sure that's it. So here's my NVLD. Here's my light that I should probably use now. Let's be a little bit more effective with this. Right. Oh yeah, here's why I love this light. This light is a fucking W purchase. This place is starting to piss me off, chat. It really is. NVLD. We got 2 pins. Don't put them next to me. I'm not fucking gonna. I got my manager putting shit for a new kid to start here. Right where I'm working at. I'm not sharing a bay with somebody. It is not happening. Alright, well, it's. Hopefully the NVLD will stay right here. Yeah, good thing we're replacing it. What kind of clip is this? Don't think there's anything holding this in. No, there isn't. It's just like really in there. Oh, there goes my light, but I got it. Stupid fucking managers. Fucking stupid. I never met dumber people in my life. Really, truly, I haven't. We're gonna put that there. Make sure this is clipped back. Make sure this is in properly. Let's not clip it in first. Be a smarty.
It has a leader coming down.
Gotta love. Tighten that up. It came off pretty easy at first place. Make sure it's nice and snug. And there is our brand new NVLD. Let's go back together. No. I'm stupid. That's the right way. As I get them back in somewhat of where the studs were, the rest of them kind of just go in. So like everything, yeah, see everything's already lined up. There's another stud right there. Just drop them while we're at it too. Good thing is I don't need the magnet for these ones. Just fucking take them and fucking stick them down in there. These long fuckers go back here. Ain't no long fucker again. This one was a hard one to put on, sorry. Dropped another one. Who would have thought? Me having butterfingers. It's like my worst fucking problem. Dirty ass wheel. It's about to break my finger. That would have sucked. Balance is superb on this guy. Holding the fucking wheel with one leg. That's how I like to do it. That kind of wraps up the NVLD. Now I gotta go to the front of this car and do 2 axle boots. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you later.